i35equipment.com. This is the John Deere 33G track compact loader skid steer. Today we're going to be showing you how you use the hydraulic quick attach on this machine. It's a super nice one. The hydraulic quick attach works excellent. We've already got it running and warming up. I'm going to hop up in here to the cab and give you the disclaimer that you should always practice common sense and safety. Check with your operator's manual. Alright, so we're in the cab. Right now nothing happens to the lap bar is dropped, hydraulics are unlocked, and your parking brake is off. And then you're going to find your Quik Tach button right there. So we're going to go ahead and I take parking brake off. Takes our hydraulic lock off as well. We're going to go ahead and about that. So we're going to go ahead and curl the bucket backwards or in. We're going to hit and hold the Quik Tach button with the unlock, and then we're just going to flow the hydraulic fluid to that hydraulic cylinder by holding the bucket in a curl position, and then simply uncurl out of the bucket. You can see that came out nice and easy. We're already off it, but we'll back up here and then pull up to it. Again, you get it hooked back up. Just going to curl it, put it back in a full curl position. Go full curl with the handle and then hit the lock portion, and you'll hear it click in. And then before you use it or have anyone come around, you can test it by putting pressure on it. Make sure you're fully locked in. Easy as that. If you hope the video is beneficial to you, always consult your operator's manual, use common sense and safety. And if you're in the market for used equipment, check out our website, i35equipment.com, for our full inventory of consignment heavy equipment. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful. Have a great day.